Hey folks, today's theme is creativity, so we're going to have a little fun with it. We're going to play in a swing pattern, and that means that the ands in between each beat are kind of squeezed over towards the next beat a little bit closer. So instead of that, 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 1 and 2 and, it'll be that, da, 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. But that swing is entirely up to you because the pattern that I'm going to give you is actually super open so that you can add your own creative spark. So let's just get used to that swing. I invite you to play this with me. And there are lots of different types of swing. Different percentages of how much you swing it. Different cultures have different percentages, if you like. Today, it looks like this. So we need to get that really in our bodies before we can move freely with it. Watch out for that non-dominant hand. Keep those strokes nice and even. Nice. Right. Bouncy, chirpy. The pattern that I'm going to give you actually doesn't necessarily imply that swing. It's you that has to put that in between. And I'll show you why. Every strike that we play is going to land on the downbeat, on the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those numbers they're always in the same place regardless of whether you're swinging or not, right? This is the beginning. So, ding, chord, slap, chord, ding, chord, slap, chord. But in our bodies, we need to be feeling and we can move that chord over to the left. Same idea, we're just playing these 2 notes on the left hand side. And then we move back over. There's no pull-up switch, I meant to say. Nice. So when you've got that, now in the in-betweens, we can start putting some little melody ideas. Or some ghost notes, some percussive elements. Tricky. This is how I'm going to do it. So I've got one hand doing all of the accents and one hand doing the swing in between, right? So this is all with my right now. My left hand is providing ghost notes, then we switch everything with the left, and my right hand providing ghost notes. See it here happening here? we can pause the video until we've got it. I can't. But once we feel comfortable with that, then we can start to move that ghost note to some kind of melody. Like this. That's surprisingly difficult, just having that swing, that slightly different element in there, and also switching from right to left over and over and over again. That's a really good exercise in itself, getting that right and left coordination, practicing having a different lead. Yeah, take some time with that one. That's a good one, it's fun. I might take some time with that one right now. I need it. And once you get it, share it with us in the WhatsApp group if you're a patron. Yeah, I would love to see your versions of it. Yeah, alright, enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow.